What are you doing?
I'm doing some weird things. Look, right?
Yeah, you're so sweet and cute.
Don't eat calamansi.
Huh?
Don't eat calamansi.
This one is calamansi, oh.
I say I don't even eat that.
Wow, you're eating with your hands. I like it.
Because Ate eat the spoon right here. Spoon fork.
That's so gross. You can pull it up.
What? It's coffee.
Painumin mo naman kapatid mo, ate.
Tastes like coffee.
Coffee? Is it coffee or...
No.
Let me see.
Tastes like coffee.
Full cream milk. It's milk naman ah.
It tastes like milk. It's not like cold milk. It's like warm milk.
Busog na ka mo? What does it mean, busog?
Don't like it. You're full. Full.
Ay, don't like it. Ikaw gawa ka talaga, ha? Ay, ang bot sa kanding na may bangs. Naintindihan mo? Ano? Ay, ang bot sa kanding na may bangs.
Mama.
Tala, you're dalaga na kaya.
I can see that.
Dalaga ka na ate. You still have boogers.
Ouncy. That's your big nose. Mommy. Ella is full.
She's still eating. You just wait there. Are you done eating?
Yeah. My questions are easy. You can have a little bit games.
Games where? Do you have money? You know what? We're spending too much. You know how much is our grocery?
$200.
200? Are you sure? That is just 200?
This camera. And this. The next one. You want the taste? Yeah? Take that one. Put it in your hands. Alcohol.
Easy cleaners, you know. Panis kayo. With arrange pa yan. Oh, ano? Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna watch you lang.
I need the color. I have this one.
Make the cutest egg, ha?
No. I have to. Why, mommy? Shut up.
Are you happy? You're happy because?
Because I'm only the Easter egg.
Because Jesus is alive again.
I already see that, mommy. In 3 days, Jesus will come back.
Yeah. Jesus will come back in 3 days, and he came back.
How do you know? Oh, teacher teach me. Okay, I'll make my equal cookies.
Oh, look at that eyes.
Okay. Don't you dare look.
Why? Ella, you will spill that.
You put it on the table.
Okay. Or I want to clean it. Hurry. Yeah.
Why did you kiss your egg?
Huh?
That's so weird. Why did you kiss your egg?
Because I love my egg. Just the precious.
What's the name of your egg?
Goldilocks.
How about you? I know, what is it? Cloudy again. You love Cloudy.
No. Her name is Cloudy.
See?
Yeah.
Wow.
do you
It's like a tattoo. Arm tattoo.
Why?
Oh, whose work is this?
Mine.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know you hate it. Yeah, I should try it again. I think it's so ugly white.
Question. Why do you eat so slow?
Why?
Why do you eat so slow?
Why? It was cooking.
Hello, thank you. Is it mine?
Yeah. No.
You wash after that, okay.